that. Okay, today our concept is what next. Let's see that next one, right? Next one, and we will design it and we will implement in the project, right? We will implement in the project. What will be there now? Let's see that many to one we seen that, right? This one is what, guys? Collection based or non-collection based? Collection based or non-collection based? Come on.
Non-collection based.
Non-collection.
Non-collection based.
Non-collection based, right? So okay. So now today our discussion is what? Let's see that. Okay. Today our discussion will be this one only, right? This one. What is that now? One to many, right? What is that? One to many. Okay, na? One to many means what is that? One to many is collection based or non-collection based?
Collection based.
Collection based. Okay, good. So okay, good, guys. So let's prepare one example now. What is that example will be now? Product and what is that? Model, right? Product and what? Model. Okay. So product, okay, one product can have multiple model or not, guys? Come on, just like what is that? Just I'm giving
Yes.
HP laptop is there. HP
Yes,
laptop
sir.
have multiple model
Yes.
or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So same like, okay, same like. So this example is good for one to many or not, guys?
Yeah.
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 So okay. So for that, which annotation we will use if we want to perform? What is that? One to many. So what annotation will be now?
At
One
the
to
rate one to many. Many.
one to many. We will apply on the top of what is that variable, right? Where the we are performing, what is that? Has a relation on the top of that variable. What annotation we will apply now? At the rate one to many, right? At the rate what? One to many. Good. So now fine now, guys. So let's prepare one example, right? What is that? Our what is that? Model data will be there, right? So just think about that. What is the model data now? Okay, see this. Okay. So what is that? Com dot rk dot what is that? Model, right? Com dot rk dot model plus what is that? Model and what is that? Just I'm preparing what mid, right? mid integer. Another one is what, guys? M code is what? String, right? And what is that? M color, right? M color, model color, right? Okay, string. Another one is what? M cost, right? M cost. Good. So M cost will be double. Okay, this is the what? Models. Our models data is there, right? Our models data is this one only. Okay, good. So now fine now, guys. So okay, so this one will depend on which one? This one will depend on our what is that? Product, right? Product. Okay, so good. So here see this one. What is the product data will be now, guys? Com dot what? Rk dot entity model, right? Model product. I'm taking what is that? Product only. I take the package name model only. Model, right? Model. Okay, good. So another one is what? Public product, right? Product. The class name is this one only. Okay. PID colon what is that? Integer. PID colon integer. Okay, good. Now P code, right? Product code string is there, right? String product code string is there. Okay, so what is that? Vendor, this one is what? String is there, right? Another one is what? We are taking the reference of what? Model. So what is that? mod model equal to what is that? Model, right? This is the data now. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So here what is that? UML diagram. This one is the UML diagram now. Okay, fine. So here what we will see now. So we will make the has a relation between what is that? This UML diagram to model class, right? Model class. Okay, so don't worry, today I will clear one good concept about what is that good concept association, what is the strong association and what is that loose association. Okay, so today people will get the clear picture. Okay, so good. So here what is that? Here Okay, has a relation is there, right? Has a relation is there. What relation is there now, guys? Has a relation. Okay. Here, what is that? Has a relation is there. Now, okay, good. So fine now. So, okay, guys. So what relation we are going to perform it now? One to many, right? What is the relation is there now? One to many, right? One to many means what is that? This is the collection based, right? This is what? This is the collection based, right? One to many means what? One to many means what? Collection based, right? So here what we are taking? We are taking the wrong, right? Here will be this one is there, right? Here the data type will be list. Here list of generic type we will take model like this. Okay, so okay, good. So fine now, guys. So okay, let's compare it, right? Let's compare it. Okay, if the relation, if one to many relation is there, right? So how the table will generate? Okay, how the table will generate now, guys? Okay, so see this. Okay, so what is the table? What the table will be now, guys? Okay, see this. Okay, so here this one is the one table. Okay, so here one table is there now. Here okay, here one table is there, product table is there, and here what is that? Model table is there, right? Two table will create. Okay, good. So here two table will create. Okay, so now what is the relation? One to many, and which side in which table like what? Foreign key will generate now, guys. Which table
Many
foreign
side.
key? Sorry,
Many side.
many
Many
side.
side.
Good, good. So
Many side.
many table, which one will be child will be many table, right? Many side table, right? Good. So here, okay, let's see that. Okay, so here what is that? This one is what? Product. This one is what? Product tab. Okay, just think about that. And this one is what, guys? This one is what? This one is what? Model tab, right? This one is what? Model tab. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So here what will happen now? Here, yes. Here, what is that? PID, right? PID, and another one is what? P code. P code, and what is that? Vendor is there, right? Vendor. Okay, good. These the three columns are there, right? Okay. One column.
Model also.
No, no, model will be not there. Foreign key. Model will become foreign key in the child table, right?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So here what will happen now, guys? See this. Okay, yes, see this. See this. Okay, so what is that? MID. MID will be there. M cost, M code, and what is that? M color. Color, M color, and what is that? Another one is what, guys? M cost. M cost, and another one is what? Product. What is that? Product foreign key, right? Product what? Foreign key will be there. Okay, good. So these columns will be there now. Okay, good, fine now. Here, see this. Okay, see this. Okay, so okay, good. So okay, now what will happen now? This primary key, right here, in this case, if the relation is there, what is that? One to many, one to many. Then what will happen now? This parent table, parent table primary key will become what is that? In the child table, right? Child table foreign key, right? What will become now? Child table foreign key now. Okay, good. So okay, here what will happen now? Then if in if parent table, what is that parent table? Primary key will become in the child table parent key. Then what relation will be now, guys? One to many. Okay, one to many now. Okay, good. So okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, we will see that. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay. So here what will happen now? Here, just think about that. I'm giving what is that ID? Okay, ID, what is that? 10. Okay, primary key ID will be 10 now. Okay, so here what is that? Okay, Samsung mobile, S mobile, S mobile. Okay, after then what is that? Vendor. Let's give Sudhir. Okay, vendor is Sudhir. Right? Sudhir. Okay, good. So Samsung mobile and he is the vendor only, right? Now good. So okay. So in the Samsung guys, okay, Samsung guys, what is that? Just think about that. How many multiple models are there, right? Multiple models are there, right? So what is that primary key? Every table have a primary key. So I'm giving one not five. Okay, one not five. Just I'm giving any code, right? Any code. M34. I'm giving what is that? M34, right? M34 and the color I'm giving red. Mobile color is what? Red. Okay. And the price sorry, M cost. Yeah. M cost means mobile cost. I'm giving what is that? 5200. Okay. And again, what is that? Which like what is that? Which model and who's the vendor? Okay. So for that means this vendor means Sudhir is the vendor only. For the who is the delivering now this phone? Sudhir, right? Sudhir. So what is that ID? Sudhir ID? This 10, right? Primary key. And what is that ID? ID is what? 10 now. So what will happen now? We will add that ID here. Okay, that ID will become what? Foreign key in the table, right? Foreign key in what? Table now. Okay, good guys. So again, okay, again, only not only one model. So there is not delivering what? Only one model. He's delivering multiple model of the mobile, right? Multiple model of what? Mobile now. Okay, so fine now, guys. 106. Okay, 106. Just I'm giving the code. What is the K45, right? K45. Okay. So the color is what? The color is what? Blue. I'm giving the color is what? Blue now. Okay. So color is blue. And what is the price now, guys? What is the price now? 5400. Okay. This is the price. And who's the delivery and delivering? Which vendor is delivering now? Sudhir only, right?
10.
So what is the Sudhir ID? 10, right? So primary key. Primary key will become foreign key now. Okay, good. So again, guys. Okay. Again, see this. Okay. 107, right? 107 is there. Okay, good. Now, what is that here? What I'm giving what? YT9, right? YT9. Okay. So here, what is that thing? Pink, right? Pink, and what is that? 59. Okay, 59, 0, right? 59, 0, and what is that? 10. Okay, primary key is the 10 only. Okay, good. So this is the table now, guys. Okay, this is the data will be there. So if one vendor having delivering what is that? Multiple models, right? Multiple models, then that if we implement as programmatically, then what relation will be there now, guys? One to many now, right? One to many. So it look like or not? Only Sudhir is delivering what is that? These models means what it will become now, guys?
One to many relation.
One to many.
Now you people is getting the things or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so fine now. Okay, guys. So okay, good. So let's implement these things as what? As a programmatically now. Okay. So because basic things yesterday we whatever to understand what is that one to many, many to one. Those things yesterday only we seen that, guys. Okay, we seen already basic things we completed. Okay, yesterday. So still need to what is that? Explain these things, guys. No need, na?
Not required, right?
Not
Need,
required, na?
not
You people are getting the things or not? Whatever explanation I'm giving here now.
Yes, clear.
Okay, good.
It's clear, sir.
Okay, so let's move on and we will deep dive in the session now. Okay, so okay, good guys. So let's okay, Eclipse side today. I'm not.
Ravi,
Yes.
can I ask something?
Why not ask?
How about foreign key in the database? Are they automatically generated?
Yeah, it will. We are using that JPA, right? We don't have need automatically whenever we will apply one to many, right? One to many
Okay.
annotation, it will generate, man.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. Ask guys, if any doubt is there, don't hesitate, right? Don't hesitate. Ask me, I will tell. If okay, so no need to hesitate yourself. Okay, what Ravi will think, what others will think. Okay, until unless if we think about others, right? We can't do anything in the life. Okay, don't think about others, just think about yourself only. Okay, how when and how whatever knowledge, just increase your knowledge. That's it. If the knowledge will be there, everything will come. Okay.
Ravi, instead of creating the ID manually, can we give ID now? ID
Sorry?
annotation for the primary key.
Yes. So no, if we want to create the must make the primary key, because without making the primary key, our Hibernate application will not run. So you have need to apply on the top of @ in ID annotation. Otherwise, our application only will become fail.
Okay.
So in initial only when I was started, like what is that JP at the time I told, right, @ entity and @ ID, both annotation is mandatory. If we are
Mandatory.
not,
Yes, yes.
I hope you remember it, right?
Yes, yes. No, my doubt is not that one. Like now, currently we are creating the ID manually, no? Like 10, like if the table product ID, 10 you are giving manually.
Good. Your doubt is
I
we
am
are
asking.
like we are taking the ID. Okay, guys, listen. Here we are creating, right? A generator is there. Based on that generator, okay. Whenever we will move on, what is that MVC at the time we will use the generator. Here you have to learn explicitly to put the ID. Okay.
Yeah, that is what my doubt.
Yes, I got your point. Okay, so yeah, generator is there
Thanks.
for that, right? Our generator will generate, but if here only if we use generator, right, then we can't get the clear picture about the concept. Because of that, I'm putting the what is that explicitly like ID, guys. Okay.
Okay, clear. Thank you.
So don't worry, Sudhir. When the time will come, I will touch each and every concept. Okay, I got your doubt. It's good, very good doubt.
Okay.
Generator are there 12 generator are there, right? 11 and 12 generator. And but in the company we are using what is that custom generator more.
Okay.
I will explain custom generator and generator also, don't worry. Okay, I will explain it. Okay, I think workspace is open now, guys. Okay, so come here. Okay, come here and we will see that. Okay, what is that? First, how many models we have need to create? 2 models, right? Okay, so which relation we are going to perform? New. What is that? New. What? Spring starter project. Good. So here what we are going to do now, guys, let's take what is that? What project we will take? Okay, employee, no, product is there now. Currently in this time, what is that? Product and what model? Okay, good. So let's take a product many to one to many, right? Project. Okay, now next, which one? Spring Data JPA, MySQL and Lombok. Next, let's copy this property, okay, property from the other application. Original property.
क्लास कर रहा हूँ
अरे ठीक है, क्लास कर रहे हो साहब तो unmute करके बोलिए ना।
मैं भी भेजता हूँ तुमको, देखना चाहोगे देख लो, एक सर का है वीडियो, बहुत अच्छा है।
कौन है भाई? Who's that? Santosh Kumar. Right. Please mute yourself, guys. Okay, good. So let's what we will do now. Let's create. What is that? Right click, new, and what is that? We will take one class, guys. Okay, we will take one class. The class we will take first what? Model, right? Model. Okay, good. Model. Here, what is that? Model. Okay, class also. No, let's take entity, guys. Okay, entity. entity, entity. Okay, good. Here, what is that? Model. Model. Okay. So now finish it. Hey, don't disturb. Okay, please mute yourself. If you're not able to control your finger on your phone, okay, leave the meeting. Okay, good. So, okay, come here. What is that? MID, M code, M color, and what is that? M cost is there, right? That fellow, yeah. Right. Okay. Okay. MID, M code, and what is that? M color, and what is that? M cost is there, right? So, okay, see this here. What private? What is that? Private integer. What is that? MID, right? MID. Another one is what? Private. What is that? String.